Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A53 from 2020, and let me show you how to manage Google accounts. So it means how to add and then remove a Google account from this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom to the users and accounts. As you can see here, we've got the whole Google section, so of course you can enter it, and here you can manage your account. So here you can add it or remove it, but let me do it using users and accounts. So let's enter it, and as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. If you want to remove it, just tap on it, tap on this to the icon and click on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we successfully removed our Google account. If you want to add another, just tap on add account, choose Google, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on accept. And as you can see here, we've got our newly added Google account. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your OPPO A53 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.